Hello friends, welcome to session 2 on orthographic projections. As we are done in session 1, we are covering the basics only, what you are already used to in isometric projection. Okay, here will basic problem 5. Just see here. This is the orthographic projection what you learned in the earlier chapter. How to draw this? That is a rectangular prism 60 by 100 is the base solid over which you have a rectangular pyramid. Okay, rectangular pyramid. For this, you have to draw the orthographic projections, the front view and top view. See here again, as I told you, always this is the problem what will be given to you. This they will give. Once they give, first look for the direction. Whether the direction of front view is this or this. If the direction of front view is this, you know very well, since this is 20, okay, front view will be 100 by 20. This will be 100 by this will be 20. If the direction of front view is this, the front view will be 60 by 20 because if you are looking in this direction, it will be perpendicular to VP. That means this will be parallel to VP. If you are looking in this direction, you are looking perpendicular to VP, this will be parallel to VP. Okay. In that way, please take care. If this is the direction of front view, the front view of the base object will be 100 by 20 as given here. If you in case they give the direction here, you take care. It should be 60 by 20 in the front view. Okay. Anyway, first you draw you just look at the direction. This is very important in orthographic. 100 by 20 actual only. I am again telling you again and again. Don't take the scale and all that. It is 100 means 100 only. 20 means 20 only. Actual dimensions. First you draw XY line. VP HP on VP front view. 100 by 20 of the base object you draw. Then take the projectors down. Okay, when you take the projectors down, anyway it is 100. This is 60. This 60 you complete. Once you complete 100 by 60, it is clear that looking at height 20 and top view 100 by 60, it is a rectangular prism 100 into 60, height 20. Okay, over which you see again here. Over that you have a rectangular pyramid 40 by 25. This is 40. This is 25. Height is 50. Okay, if you are looking in this direction, this will be parallel to VP, correct? No? You have to see this as 40. If you are looking in this direction, okay, this is 25. This is parallel to VP. This will be 25 in the front view. Okay, be careful now. Since the direction is this way, this is 40. You have to draw this 40. Okay, height is anyway 50. Once you draw 40, you go to a height of 50. Anyway, the front view, if you look from front here, the triangle you see, draw the triangle here. Okay, then immediately come to the top. It is 40 here, that is as I have shown here. This is 25 and draw the slant edges, 4 slant edges. It is 4 base edges, 4 slant edges, and the rectangular pyramid will amount to 8 edges. Okay, it is not a square pyramid, rectangular pyramid of size 40 and that is base 40 into 25, height 50. In that way, you please understand, looking at the front view and top view only, you should know what are the solids mounted one above the other. It is clear from the front view, top view, the base solid is a rectangular prism 100 by 60, height 20, and the top solid is, look at the top, it is a rectangular pyramid 40 by 25 and height 50. In that way, analyze solids carefully. Front view, top view, front view, top view. Okay, simultaneously you should analyze. Then you will know what exactly is what exactly you have to do and all that. This is orthographic projection. In that way, you are able to complete. Okay. Next, let us say basic problem 6. Okay, you see here in this way, as you know, basic problem 6. If you look to this, it is a base solid is 60 square and 30. That means thickness 30. It is a square prism over which you have a hemisphere. Okay. If you are looking from here, okay. If you look from here or look from here, the front view remains same, at least here. Okay. If you look from here, the direction of front view is this 60 by 30 in the front view. Okay. 60 30 in the front view draw. Immediately come to the top, complete the top view also. Okay, 60 by 60 and 30. That means the base solid is a square prism of side 60 and height 30. Now you are looking from here, go for the top solid. Top solid is hemisphere of radius 25. Okay, that is why you go to a distance of 25 and draw a hemisphere with radius 25 here. Okay, in that way this front view is completed. Then draw the projectors down, draw a circle of diameter 50. Okay, once it is a circle of diameter 50 in the top view, and this that is semicircle in the front view, it is hemisphere. If it is circle in the front view, circle in the top view, means it is a complete sphere only. Okay, but please, I am telling you again and again, you start like this, XY line you draw, VP HP you draw, concentrate on the first bottom solid first. When this is the direction, first solid 60 by 30. 60 by 30 you complete. In that way, bottom solid front view is completed. Immediately complete the top view 60 by 60. Okay. Once you complete that, go for the second solid. The second solid is here. Okay. Second solid is that is hemisphere. That is 25. Actual 25. One radius also you draw. Okay. In that way, hemisphere you complete. This radius 25, and this is a horizontal portion. Okay. And then immediately complete the top view. Okay. In that way, you are completing another problem. This is the front view. This is the top view. Okay. And this is the orthographic projection, what you are expected to do. Okay. As I said, you start from XY, VP, HP. This is the front view. This is the top view. Show the dimensions and all that. It will be completed in all respect. Okay. And I'm telling you again and again, in orthographic projection, don't take the scale. It is actual dimensions only you should draw. Okay. Did you follow? Only if you tilt it just to see the top surface, then only the dimensions get reduced by 0.816 and all that. That is shown here in that is isometric projection. Okay. Now it is just the front view, top view. Top surface is not seen. Correct? No. When top surface of this or top surface of this is not seen, these distances will not be reduced. Okay, will not be reduced. Just you are interested in front view and top view. This will be the surfaces will be this surface will this if you take this surface, it will be parallel to VP. Actual distance only you should draw. Okay, never take any scale. Okay. Then basic problem 7 you do. Basic problem 7. You see here. This also you see here. As you see here. This is the orthographic, this is isometric projection, this is the orthographic projection. Anyway, this they will give you in the exam. This, if they give in the exam, you know very well, it is bottom solid is a frustum of cone, top solid is a sphere. Okay, bottom solid is a frustum of cone, a base circle 50, top circle 25. Sphere is of diameter 45 or radius 22.5. This will be given. Okay. If this is given in a simple way, okay, what you do is XY line you draw, VP, HP you draw. When you are looking from here, you saw this type of trapezium. This anyway is 25. Okay. And this anyway is 50. You draw the outer boundary. In that way, hemisphere is completed in the front view. Height is 60. And this is also circle. This is also circle. This entire thing is a curved surface. Don't worry about any other edges. It is only this edge 25, this edge 50. Okay, in that way you complete. Immediately complete the corresponding top view. 150, one circle you draw. Another 25 also you draw one circle. Okay, bottom solid is over. Then you concentrate on the top solid. Top solid, front view complete. Front view from C1 to C2, you draw from C to a center. It is 45 radius and true 22.5. Actually, actual 45. Okay, never worry about scale in orthographic. 45 actual. You draw one circle. Okay. Once you draw one circle here, immediately write the corresponding 45 diameter circle in the top view also. That is, sphere in the front view is 45. Okay, sphere in the front view is 45. Sphere in the top view also 45. Okay, once you draw this, this is, when you're looking from the top, this is also a circle of diameter 25. It cannot be seen. Hence you make it dot dotted. Okay, hence you make it dot dotted here. In that way, front view and top view, that is orthographic projection of this isometric object given, is completed. Okay, these are all the things what we have done in the past. Please look to this so that the machine component should become easy for you later on. Now you see the basic problem 8. Looking in the direction, draw the orthographic projections for the isometric object shown, looking in the direction of the arrow shown for drawing the front view. Okay, you see a simple thing again. As you see here, this also we have done in the that is isometric projection. Bottom solid is a cylinder 100, thickness 20, and top solid is a frustum of cone. Bottom circle 50, top circle 25. Okay, and height is 60. Okay. Now you see here they can give this direction or this direction. In this, the distance that is directions don't matter, because whether you see here or see here, I think visibility won't change. It is only 100 by 20 in the front view. Can you see here? It is 100 and 20 in the front view. Even if the direction is given here, again it would have been 100 by 20 in the front view only. Okay, it is 100 by 20 in the front view. Immediately take the projectors down, draw a circle of diameter 100. Okay, did you follow? This is 100 by 20 rectangle. When you are looking from here, 100 by 20 rectangle representing the front view of the cylinder, and 100 circle you draw, it will represent the top view of the circle. Okay, if you see the other way, looking at the top view as a circle, front view as a rectangle, you should know that it is a cylinder. Immediately you should know. This is the knowledge portion. Okay, this is how you have to understand the subject. Okay, then come to this one. Second solid, that is top solid, which is a frustum of cone. The bottom circle is 50. 50, top circle is 25. Okay, take this as 50. Okay, from here to here 50 you take, and from here to here 25 you take, height is 60 you take. Okay, it is a frustum of cone. Once you draw the front view here, immediately take projectors down, 4 projectors down, one circle of 50, one circle of 25 you draw, immediately the corresponding front view is also, the corresponding top view is also completed. In that way, draw XY line, VPHP, draw the front view this way, draw the top view this way. In that way, you are able to complete orthographic projections of the isometric object given. Okay, in that way, carefully you do. These things are all the basics what are necessary to understand any complex problem given. In the industry, I'm telling you again, it is the orthographic projections what will be handled by the engineers. It is always the top views and front views of some complex components will be there. Looking at the front view, looking at the top view, you should be in a position to analyze how exactly is the drawing, how exactly is the component. Okay, this is the requirement. Anyway, I keep telling you this. Now we have come to the end of session 2. Thank you very much for watching. We'll continue this in session 3 on isometric projection of basics.